Hello guys, today I want to show you how to archive a channel in Slack. So select the channel that you want to archive, click on it, and just head over to Settings on the channel and click on Archive Channel for everyone. So after archiving the channel, no one will be able to send messages on this channel, any apps will be disabled, and external people on the channel will be removed. So you can't post anymore in this channel after it's been archived. So make sure you save and transfer all reported messages of the channel you want to archive before archiving it. And this is it, guys. Click on Archive Channel and your channel will be an archive and will be only able to view it and not post anything on it anymore. And that's it, guys. The work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.